How to build a second income using AI tools. Welcome back to Future Capital, where we decode money, jobs, and investing in the AI economy. We have talked about AI jobs, skills, protecting income, and investing. Now, let's get practical. I am going to show you how to build a second income using AI tools, even if you are busy with a full-time job, because the future belongs to those who leverage AI to create money, not compete with it. Here is the reality. AI is changing paychecks, automation is affecting traditional roles, and economic uncertainty is increasing globally. Even high-skilled workers may face fluctuating income because of AI efficiency. A second income is both protection and leverage. It protects you from job risk, it allows you to invest, and it helps you build wealth faster. According to OECD reports, diversified income streams increase financial stability by 30 to 50% globally. Now, here is how AI makes second income easier. AI can help you automate repetitive work, generate content, analyze data, and build digital products. Example, if you create 5 social media posts manually, it may take 5 hours. With AI, you can create 20 posts in 1 hour. Multiply your output, multiply your income. Now, let's go step by step to build your second income. Step 1. Identify a market need. Ask yourself, what do people want? What can AI help produce faster? Examples, resume optimization services, AI-generated ebooks or reports, niche social media content. Step 2. Choose the right AI tools, ChatGPT or GPT-4 for writing, brainstorming, and consulting, Midjourney or DALL-E for design and graphics, Pictory or Runway for video content, Zapier for workflow automation. Example, a freelance marketer uses AI tools to generate ad copy, sells services online, and earns $500 per month in just a few hours of work. Step 3. Create a simple system, plan your content or product, use AI to produce, automate distribution, track results. Example, you create 10 AI-generated Instagram posts, schedule them automatically, and either charge clients or monetize your own account. Step 4. Monetize your output. You can earn through freelance projects, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, or consulting and coaching. Example, a designer uses AI to create templates, sells them online, and earns $800 per month. Step 5. Scale gradually, reinvest your earnings, add more AI tools, build an audience or email list. Example, a $500 monthly income can grow to $2,000 by expanding services and automating workflows. Now, here is a strategic tip. Combine your main job with AI tools and small digital projects. Your main job gives you stable income, AI projects give you extra income and skill growth. Investments build long-term wealth. The future does not wait. AI is not just a threat, it is an income machine. The real question is, will you use it to build money or watch others do it? Start small, automate, scale, and repeat. This is Future Capital, where we prepare you not just to survive, but to win in the AI economy. Subscribe now and start building your second income today.